Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 12X and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find backup and reset option, and here let's tap on reset phone. And as you can see here, we've got the option we're looking for, so reset network and Bluetooth settings. Let's tap on it. Of course, confirm everything with your screen lock and tap on reset. Wait a second. And as you can see, we've got this information, which means that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.